Hello everyone, this is Anita White with Love Your Art, and we're back today with another video. And as you can see, we've already started our base color paints. But before we get going, and you know we like to start right away, so we won't have much of a delay, but a special announcement just to remind you, if you haven't done so, like and subscribe here at YouTube with me, with Love Your Art. And also go ahead and follow us and become a member on our Facebook group, Acrylic, Dutch Pour, and More. It's the Facebook group that we've designed to allow my viewers here on Love Your Art, as well as people who are coming across the channel or across my art, to be able to interact with me by sharing their work and that of other artists' work. Will be posted on that particular Facebook group where we can share with each other, we can watch each other grow, we can talk and share ideas and ask questions and really be supportive of one another. We're interested in growing with you. We're interested in celebrating your success as well. So go ahead and like us here on YouTube. Also, go ahead and become a member of our Artist Loft, or our Acrylic, Dutch Pour, and More is our new Facebook group name, and we'd love to have you. Okay, so let's get going. We have a 12 by 24 inch canvas here in which we have laid out two colors. We have Amsterdam Prussian blue along with Amsterdam primary cyanine primary. Both of those are the colors here, the base colors that we'll be using. We're going to go ahead and pop air bubbles. And I will sometimes use the paints that we have to lay out our base color like this when we really want to save time, and also when they're dark colors like these are, because it does take a little more extra time to get them laid out on the canvas. Our colors will be listed in the description box below if you miss anything. And also note that we have each of our colors are made with 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint, water added to get to the desired consistency. Let me grab some gloves. And we're going to get our colors introduced to the canvas, because once we lay our base color out like this, it's on its way to drying. Okay, let's see what we have here today. Joining us today, we have the Pebeo Blue Vert Iridescent. We have the Artist Loft Metallic Silver, Amsterdam Permanent Blue Violet, Amsterdam Pearl Violet, and Cadmium Liquitex Basics Cadmium Yellow Deep Hue. And I think we'd like to start, well, let's see if we can go with the order we have. We're going to try and take our colors along the divider line here. Get those out nice. Open that up wide. There we go. Nice flow. Okay. This is that silver. Put that right on top. This is looking luscious already. Then we have our permanent blue violet. And we have our pearl violet. And we're going to put some yellow on that. Now, what I didn't do that I'm going to do is I'm going to do a extension here and one here with these same colors. So let's do out like that. And let's see. Maybe we'll do one. Allows us to go this way. Keep those in the same order there. I love, love, love this permanent blue violet. One of my all-time favorites. And this cadmium yellow deep hue as well. All right, we are going to move our little friends aside, pop some air bubbles, look for any uninvited guests. And see what we could do to blow this out. And we'll start here in our center area and see where it takes us, okay? Let's try low first. Oh my goodness, super beautiful. The clustering of cells that is taking place here, that's already happening here and here, amazing. It's coming all through here. I'm going to see if we can blow this just a little bit more here, only because it looks like there's paint that we could use. We'll see. Really very pretty. Very, very pretty. Love these cells that are coming through. So rich and vibrant. Lovely, lovely, lovely forms of shimmer and shine on top. You can see it already from the iridescent. Just going to put a little torch here to make sure we don't miss anything. These colors are spectacular. I love that cadmium yellow deep hue coming through so beautifully. Okay, we're wiping underneath. And we do this so that we can bring our design to rest. We want this beautiful design to stay intact. To do so, we need to help it out. So we wipe from underneath the paint that is running as an overflow, giving it a chance to come to rest. You need to do this a few times until you can definitely tell your paint is starting to rest. Wow, super pretty. I love this dark blue, the light blue, and all the array of gorgeous colors that we put on top, just making for a spectacular design. And colors that are so super vibrant and rich. See just a few air bubbles in this area here. Okay, it's close-up time, guys. Let's move you on in. Well, here we are, everyone. We've got our close-up, bringing you in so you can see these spectacular colors, the richness of these gorgeous cells, the shimmer and shine that glistens right on top. So very, very beautiful. I'm loving it. Oh my heavens. Look at this. How rich and gorgeous is that? Beauty on top of beauty. So, so pretty. We've got gorgeous iridescent cells from these iridescent colors of the pearl violet, along with the blue Vert iridescent and a metallic silver. So we are just loaded with shine and shimmer. Look how gorgeous that is. Super pretty. All the way up to the edge there. Surrounding every part of our petal, we have some form of beauty associated with it. Wow, I'm loving this color palette. So spectacular. Let me know what you think in the comments. I certainly appreciate hearing from you. Love to hear your feedback. Thank you so much if you're one of those viewers who paid close attention all the way to the end. We appreciate you viewing and sharing your feedback. Okay, here we have it, our 12 by 24 inch canvas, Dutch pour with a split blue base and lots of rich, vibrant, spectacular color. Until next time, keep loving your art, and don't forget to like and subscribe here on YouTube and meet us on Facebook, Acrylic, Dutch pour, and more. Thank you for joining me as always. Bye now.